Welcome to this tutorial for the use of OpenClinica. My name is Thomas Launrock, and in this video I will explain the basic information you need to know to make use of OpenClinica for, in this case, the semester study. OpenClinica is an online software program designed to manage study data. The nice and simple layout of the case report forms or CRFs makes it easy to enter all the required data from a study participant. All data will be saved on a protected server so that there is no risk of data loss. Once you have an account, you can log on in OpenClinica. So here you can see the overview page of OpenClinica. Here you can see how many participants are enrolled in the study and if their CRFs are filled in and signed. In OpenClinica it's possible to work with different sites for the different countries that participate in the study. For this example database I created sites for Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados and Jamaica. Other sites can easily be added. It's important that you check if you selected the appropriate site prior to data entry. You can do this by clicking on the button Change Study Site. Here you can select the appropriate site. Once you have done this, you can start entering data. Go back to the home page and click on the Subject Matrix button to open the Subject Matrix page. Here you can see an overview of the study participants for your site for a study. Click on Add New Subject to start entering data of a new study participant. Fill in the study ID of the participant. Please pay attention that it is not allowed to enter names of the participant. In this screen you can also enter the enrollment date in the study and the gender of the participant. So the next thing we have to do now is select the event for which we want to start data entry. As you can see, this can be in the case of a participant with suspicion for Guillain-Barré syndrome, GBS inclusion, GBS day 7, GBS day 14 and GBS hospital discharge. The CRF that belong to these time points are attached to these events. For this example we're going to choose the GBS inclusion event. After you click on Add, a new window will open for the selected event. Here you can see the CRFs that are attached to the event. For example, a CRF for the results of the physical examination and a CRF for the symptoms and information at presentation in the hospital. Select the CRF for which you want to enter data by clicking on the button Enter Data. This will open the CRF. In this example, we will open the physical examination CRF. As you can see, the layout of the CRFs is very clear and filling in the CRF is not difficult at all. Sometimes you will see that additional text boxes will appear in which specification for some answers is asked. After you've finished filling in the CRF, you can click on the Save button and fill in another CRF. If you're sure you filled in the CRF complete and correct, you can click on the checkbox Mark CRF as complete. If you by any reason filled in something wrong and want to change the data, this is still possible. However, the system will ask you to give a reason why you want to change the data. The other study investigators can see who filled in the CRF and who changed the data, when and why. It's not possible to delete data that's already entered. It's only possible to deactivate it, after which it can always be reactivated again if necessary. When you've finished filling in the CRF, you can return to the home page. If you want to see the CRF you just filled in, go to Subject Matrix and click on the event of the participant from who you filled in the data. Now click on the magnifying glasses to open the CRF that you just filled in to see what you entered. The data that's entered in the CRF in OpenClinica can be exported, for example, to an Excel file or SPSS database, which makes it possible to perform statistics on the collected data. The export of the data can be done at the end of the study or during the study for an interim analysis. This is the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.